10 most expensive Ferraris in the world. It has been 83 years since Ferrari built its very first car out of a workshop in Italy. From those fairly humble beginnings, it has grown into one of the world's most recognizable luxury brands, with its rearing black stallion acting as an emblem for quality and sophistication, not to mention a considerable price tag. We take a look at the top 10 most expensive Ferraris ever produced, representing the very best of the best. 10. 2015 Ferrari 458 Speciale Aperta. $786,399. A convertible version of the 458 Speciale. This model was limited to strictly 499 pieces. It features a beautiful caramel-hued leather interior with gold and diamond detailing in the rims. When it was unveiled back in 2014, it was the fastest street-legal Ferrari in a convertible model, a title it would eventually concede to the LaFerrari. '9. Ferrari 599 GTO. $879,106. The GTO models are among the most well-known in Ferrari's portfolio, and the 599 GTO features a 6-liter V12 engine and is the same one used in the Ferrari Enzo, which led the newest generation of Ferraris into the 21st century. It was supposedly the fastest road car of the early 2010s, achieving the fastest time on the Fiorano circuit, where all Ferrari cars are tested for speed. There were only 599 models produced. '8. 1957 Ferrari GT Coupe Boano. $1,195,637. It really wouldn't be a complete list without one of the classic Ferrari models on it. The Coupe Boano is a bit more obscure than the mainstream GT Coupe, but that's probably one of the factors that adds to its price. This gorgeous cherry red model was produced by Carrozzeria Boano, who took over the production of the GT Coupe models in the mid-50s.
That's the box. That's the box. Lower guard. Lift the back arm. Lift the bottom. Long story short. Down right now.
7. 2017 Ferrari F12 TDF. $1,350,000. First released in 2015, the F12 TDF is a variant of the F12 Berlinetta and is named after the Tour de France, in which Ferrari regularly took first place during the 50s and 60s. Aside from its sleek design and excellent performance, one of the most notable things about the F12 TDF is that it was the last model produced by frequent Ferrari collaborator Pininfarina. Please like and subscribe.